What are the unique features of deep-sea octopuses? Have you ever wondered how creatures survive in the dark, cold depths of the ocean? Deep-sea octopuses are fascinating examples of adaptation in extreme environments. Let's take a closer look at what makes them so unique. First, deep-sea octopuses, like the Dumbo octopus, live at depths ranging from about 3,000 to over 7,000 meters below sea level. In these depths, the water pressure is immense, and temperatures are near freezing. To survive, they have soft, gelatinous bodies that can withstand this pressure. Their bodies often have internal structures shaped like a U or V, providing support without being rigid. Next, their body structure and movement are quite different from their shallow water cousins. Many deep-sea octopuses have ear-like fins near their eyes. These fins help them swim by flapping, which is more energy efficient in the deep sea than using jet propulsion. Their 8 arms are webbed, resembling an umbrella, allowing for slow, controlled movement just above the seafloor. They also use their arms to crawl along the seabed. Another interesting feature is their semi-translucent appearance. Many deep-sea octopuses have bodies that are somewhat see-through, with colors ranging from pale to darker hues. This translucency helps them blend into their dim surroundings, making it easier to avoid predators. When it comes to their eyes, many deep-sea octopuses have relatively large ones compared to their body size. These large eyes help them detect the faintest light in their dark habitats. However, some species do not, relying heavily on sight and use other senses to navigate and find food. Speaking of food, deep-sea octopuses primarily feed on small organisms like bristleworms, copepods, isopods, and amphipods. Their webbed arms help them capture prey, and their beak-like mouths can crush hard-shelled animals. Reproduction is another area where deep-sea octopuses differ from their shallow water relatives. They tend to have a slower reproductive cycle, which may be due to the limited availability of mates and the energy constraints of living in such extreme conditions. Interestingly, deep-sea octopuses often lack the ability to squirt ink, a common defense mechanism in many shallow water species. Instead, they rely on their camouflage, slow movements, and soft bodies to avoid detection by predators. Lastly, like all octopuses, deep-sea species have highly flexible arms with complex muscle arrangements. This allows them to squeeze through tight spaces and manipulate objects independently. In fact, 2/3 of their neurons are located in their arms, giving them sophisticated control over their movements. Deep-sea octopuses are remarkable examples of how life can adapt to one of Earth's most challenging habitats. Their unique features not only help them survive but also contribute to the diversity of life in underwater ecosystems. Understanding these adaptations can help us appreciate the complexity of life in the ocean's depths.